YouTube, it's SJ, and today I'm back with another unboxing, and it's the Nike SB Frog Skateboard Blazer. Let's go take a look. Hey YouTube, it's SJ, and I'm back, and today we're unboxing the Nike SB Frog Skateboard collab that dropped a couple of weeks ago. Really excited to open this. Because there's a knife involved in this unboxing, we're probably going to speed up right about now. I think I'm ready to unbox this. Oh my word, people! As you can probably tell, these didn't come from Nike, otherwise I'd have just done that pull for freshness and we'd be in, but that was a mammoth task. Out they come! Wow! Get that out of the way, get that out of the way. What have we got here, people? We have a Nike SB Zoom Blazer Mid Quick Strike, and they're in lime liquid, lawn white. They're a men's 11.5 US, which is a UK 10.5, a European 45.5, a Brazilian 43.5. They would be a women's 13, which is a little bit big for my feet, as you probably know if you watch this channel. These are actually for Mr. B. He's behind there on sneaker cam, and he's a little bit tired, so I'm unboxing them for him because I wanted these and I didn't get them. The code for these is AH6158300. Enough about that. Let's get to it, Mr. B. I'm gutted that I couldn't get these in my size. These came from Flat Spot via a drawer. We've got some stickers, woodcut paper, Mr. B. Oh my God. You know what? He's doing this on purpose because he knows how much I wanted these. And they're more of a me shoe than a him shoe. You should see the face he's pulling behind that camera. These are well nice. Right, let's get these out. Just look at these. Just look at them. Do you know what? They look flipping huge. They look huge. You're gonna have boat feet, Mr. B. Frog Skateboards. Bit of a bonkers company, really, when you look at all of their stuff. Founded in, what was it, 2016, New York, by, I think it's Chris Millick. I probably said that totally wrong, but I think that's how you say his name, and Jess Alba, not to be confused with Jessica Alba, which I have to stop myself from saying. Son of skateboarding legend Steve Alba. Frog Skateboard, it's kind of a bit of a mistake brand. It wasn't something that they set out to do, but sort of took off and is a bit bonkers, as are these sneakers. Oh my God, I don't know where to start. What do we have here? It's a blazer. It's a Nike SB blazer. First thing I noticed, loads of nice padding around the heel, as always. That is really nicely padded, and it's a nice bright lime green. As I said, that nice padding, noticed straight away. Nice chunky sole as well. White sole, really just shows off that bright green. Really nice suede. Now it is a shaggy suede. Mr. B on sneaker camp, can you see as I'm running my finger over your blazers lovingly, can you see the change there in the suede? It's picking it up. It kind of reminds me of a tennis ball, this suede. It has that sort of texture. It's not as shaggy as the suede that was used on the White Widow last year's 420, but it is still a really nice soft shaggy suede. I mean, that is super soft. Like, it almost feels, what does it feel like? It feels like that terry toweling, but it's not, that's suede. So you have the green swoosh, and then you have the frog. Just look at that. That is so epic. Just sort of sitting perched above the swoosh. I'm just going to show you this to the front here and to you. Sneaker cam too. Look at that frog. And the frog is actually in this sort of felt material, the black outline as well, which just really makes it pop and gives it almost like that 3D effect on the sneaker. It looks really cool. Now on the front, you've got some really cool laces. Just look at the detail on these. All the little ladybirds, bright pink ladybirds all over those laces. That's really cool. Then on the inside, you've just got a swoosh. Then on the back, where it would normally say Nike, it says Frog says frog on both of them. Then you've got the ladybird down here as well. Just really nice touches, and the pink against the green just works really well. Oh, actually on the tongue tab, sorry, forgot that, it has Nike SB frog. Okay, now I'm just going to go onto the inside. Oh, we have some alternate laces, people. No lace back, but we have the neon green laces and bright pink as well. I mean, honestly, you got to stick with those ladybird. Now, we said this on our stream the other week. You know, the alternate laces, I don't know, the quality just needs to be a little bit better, and like the finishing on them, for me to want to use any alternate laces at the moment. But yeah, I mean, these ladybird laces are epic. Now if we look inside, I'm not going to do it, Mr. B. I'm not taking out the insole. To be honest, it literally just says Nike SB Zoom Air. So there's nothing exciting in there, it's all green. Boo! Boo, boo, boo. But what is nice is this. On the back of the tongue tab, it says Frog Skateboards. Really nice. And that's in keeping with the bonkersness of their drawings. And each one looks like a little animal type thing. And an egg. The O is an egg. Let me have a look at this one. Exactly the same. So let me just take a look at the second shoe. I mean, both sneakers are identical. I really wanted to Stussy drop the blazers that Mr. B has, the Lance Mountain ones. I prefer these over them, I think.
Okay.
So I'm kind of extra gutted that I haven't got these. And I really do think these are more for me than for you, Mr. B. I mean, I can see you wearing these. These would be destroyed if I had them.
That's why I have them. So they're not destroyed. I will wear them, but I will not destroy them.
On our stream when we called these out, and also just generally, it kind of felt that these had a bit of a, are a little bit of a Marmite Nike SB. There are people that were saying that they feel it's too childish for them. You know, it's just not a shoe for them, but this is epic. I mean, the green just absolutely pops. It's a great colour for summer. The suede is epic. You know, it's really, really nice suede. I can't get over how nice that is. And just the detailing. And I really like what Nike have been doing towards the end of 2018 and this year. They're being what feels a little less protective over the swoosh. And I like the fact that you've got the little frog sitting on the swoosh. It's just a nice touch, really nice touch. And again, I like what Nike are doing, all of these collabs with different skateboarding brands and skate shops. It's just nice, you know. Frog Skateboards do have a shop in Frankfurt. Haven't been. What are you thinking, Mr. B? You're going to be rocking these? Yeah, that's a big thumbs up from you.
Oh, for sure. They're amazing.
They are super amazing. Does it say anything else on there? No, just Nike SB Frog. So they are identical. Each shoe is identical. I mean, just look. That is a nice blazer. Super nice blazer. My plea is skateboarding shops, please, in the UK. Please think about us females who also want cool sneakers and stock at least a size 6, please, 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 because nowhere stocked these in a size 6 in the UK, so I'm gutted. If you picked up a pair of these, let us know in the comments, let us know your thoughts on these. Is this a thumbs up or a thumbs down sneaker for you? Thumbs up from me, massive thumbs up. You know, leave us a comment below as always, and if you haven't already and you like this video, give us the old thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and the button for that is about there. Hit the old notification bell, as Mr. B would say, because it really does work and it lets you know every time we upload a video. Come along and join us on Sneaker Stream Sunday, where we stream every Sunday night and talk about what we've worn on our feet, what we've bought, what is coming out, and chat with you guys out there. It's a bit of fun. It's 8 PM here in the UK, about midday on the West Coast, and about 3 PM on the East Coast. If you're on Instagram and you're wearing your kicks, don't forget to hashtag us, Pint of Stuff, and we will feature you on Sneaker Streaming Sunday. Always good to see how you guys are styling up those sneakers. Also, if you feel like it, go along to pintofstuff.com. It's a little side project that we've been doing. Not quite finished yet, it's getting there. Terrible picture of me, it's terrible. Mr. B needs to change it. I hate that picture. But yes, sign up to newsletter and more will be coming from us soon. As always, as I said, leave us a comment, let us know your thoughts, and we will see you either on Sneaker Stream Sunday or on the next video upload. Over and out. Bye.
They're alright, aren't they? They are.
They are alright. I really like these. I really like these. Huxley! We haven't done the Huxley test. You don't give a shit. Nicky's sleeping.